Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to a new video. In this video we will talk about new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rosie. This is based on MIUI 12.6. As you can see, you will get a MIUI 12.6 by Xiaomi.eu. This ROM is by Xiaomi.eu 21.4.22 version. This is the port ROM. This is the beta version. As you can see, Xiaomi.eu. This is port ROM from Middo Redmi Note 4X. You will get Android version 11 in this ROM. No Android 12.11 is available till now. So you can subscribe our channel for daily updates. If the Android 11 is ROM is available for Redmi 5, the video will be uploaded soon. As you can see, you will get the latest security patch and MIUI version. As you can see, model Redmi Note 4X. As you can see, this ROM is ported from Redmi Note 4X. Quite Lite kernel is installed in this ROM. So now let's start our video. Welcome to Tech Custom. First we will check all the features and the bugs of this ROM. I will not tell all the features of this ROM, as all the features are exactly same as previous ROMs. So first talk about the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is working perfectly and the Jio is working. As you can see, HD Volt is working perfectly. So Jio Wi-Fi, as you can see, I have already connected Wi-Fi, so there is no problem in the Wi-Fi. And the Bluetooth, if you talk about the Bluetooth, let me show you that the Bluetooth is working or not. Let me turn on it, and here you can see this is our Bluetooth audio device. As you can see right now it is turned on. Let's check. I have already tested this ROM, so don't worry. So basically here is the available devices. Let's connect it. I will show you the, as you can see, pairing. I am pairing it for first time. As you can see, it is connected, there is no problem, and the sound is also working perfectly, and the Bluetooth audio device and Bluetooth file share is also working perfectly without any problem. So basically you can use the Bluetooth for audio devices. And let's check the hotspot, if the hotspot works or not. So basically you can see that the hotspot is working perfectly, there is no problem in the hotspot. And if you talk about the bugs, first bug is the always on display. First if you install this ROM, the DP will be changed. As you can see, you have to change your DP will be very large. Let me show you. As you can see, you have to change it to 392 simply. All the downloads link will be in the description, so you must check the description. MI account is working. MI account is working in this ROM, so there is no problem. You can easily log in without any problem, and the Google account is also working perfectly. I have already logged in Google account, so don't worry, it works perfectly fine without any problem. And if we talk about the safety net, let's check if the safety net is working or not. And Antutu benchmark test is not working in this ROM. So and 3D benchmark test is also not working in this ROM. So basically all the two benchmarks are not working, and our safety net is passed successfully. I have already tested, so that's why I have already tested this and to 3D benchmark more than 5 times, but it is not working, and the 3D benchmark is also not working. It comes back to home screen, and the wallpaper is not working in this ROM. Whenever I apply, it does not apply. Let me show you. And the lock screen wallpaper is working perfectly, only the home screen wallpaper is not working in my device. Here is my wallpaper. Let me apply to the home screen if it works or not. As you can see, it is not working. So basically in my device it is not working. And you can apply the themes. I have already applied the themes. Here is the control center is working, torch is working, screenshot is working, but the sound recorder is not working. Sorry, sound recorder video recorder is not working in this device, screen recording. And here is the always on display is not working. And let's check to the display. And brightness level is working perfectly. You can easily adjust the brightness level, or all the bugs will be written in the description, so you can check the description. There is no reading mode in this ROM, so there is no icon of the reading mode, no setting of the reading mode, so there is bug in the reading mode. And the sound is working perfectly, vibration is working, and the vibration on fingerprint on the navigation bar is also working. You can increase or decrease the sound vibration if you want. And the tap sound is also working. So and the fingerprint is also working perfectly, there is no problem in the fingerprint. Let's check the face unlock and the fingerprint both, and we will check out is the fingerprint is lightning fast or not. What is the speed of fingerprint? Vibration is working perfectly. And another one bug is that you cannot wake your device with the fingerprint sensor. So there is bug in this ROM. Let's check the speed of the fingerprint. Fingerprint speed is not good. It is not lightning fast. As you can see, it is very slow. Fingerprint speed is very slow. As you can see, it is not working. Tap, open. It is very late. It is very slow. Fingerprint speed is very slow. And let's check the face unlock, if the face unlock works or not. So basically you will see that the face unlock is also not working. It is stuck on the loading camera, so there is bug in the face unlock. And the speed of the fingerprint is not up to the mark, so I will not so according to my usage, I will not use this ROM for daily usage because of many of the bugs. And but the performance is good in this ROM. There is no lag or any delay in the in opening application. And the rounded corners is also working perfectly. There is no problem in the rounded corners. As you can see, whenever you open the application, and the gestures is also working, you can mirror the buttons also, it works perfectly fine without any problem. So basically I will not test the Call of Duty in this ROM. I only test the Call of Duty if there is no bug or less bugs in this ROM or that ROM. Our device is easily detected in the PC. There is no problem. So now let's check the camera, if the camera is working or not. Photo is working perfectly. There is no problem. All the camera, only the problem is the front flash is not working in this ROM. So as you can see, there is no option of the front flash. Let's check the short video, if the short video is working or not. As you can see, short video is working perfectly. There is no problem, but it is laggy. As you can see, video is recording, but it is camera is laggy. So now let's stop. As you can see, there is some problem in the camera applications while recording the video, but it is not working on the photo. Only there is photo, there is no video. Let's check the full video if it works or not. Full video is working, short video is not working. As you can see, thumbnail is not coming. As you can see, picture is not coming in the gallery when you open the gallery, but the camera is working perfectly. There is no problem. Only there is bug in the short video or front camera. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.